Good morning. So, I've been a little inconsistent this month. Tired, mostly. I'm just tired. So, let's get back into it and do something kind of ambitious. I'm gonna say this is moderately ambitious and not like scary ambitious. I'm gonna make a summer dress. Easy as that, I think. My plan is to make it like a 1940s styled summer dress. So I don't have a pattern, so we're gonna draft one. And we're gonna try to make it in my 2-week time frame. I think I can do it. I'm fairly confident I can. So, let's do this. I got my dress form back from Temple. It's been gone for about a month, sitting, holding a dress, looking pretty for everyone at Temple to see my art. But she's back home. She's going to help us draft a pattern. Now, she is a little too big for me, so my plan is to draft the pattern on here. And maybe I just won't add seam allowance. I think that should be fine. I don't know, I'll take some measurements beforehand and just make sure that I'm right and that she is just a touch too big. Because I'm fairly certain she is, and if she is, it's like an inch, which is good for seam allowance because that's half an inch for each seam. So let's start drafting. Let's see what comes of this. Okay, so I've seen people use like drafting tape, I think is what they call it, but I don't have that. I've got masking tape, so I'm just gonna tape her up and try to make a pattern and have it make sense. Okay, pattern pieces done. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be, but they're done. And it's just 2 pieces because the rest of it is like straps and stuff and rectangles. I'm just gonna measure out a few rectangles to get for those. But I'm thinking this fabric, or is it a bit too see-through? Let's see on camera how it reads. Like, do you think I think it would be fine with a slip underneath. Or maybe, here, let me show you my cursed shorts, this fabric, because I have a good amount of this green gingham-y type of fabric, which I think is really nice. Maybe I'll go with this one. Green is nice. I like green. I wear a lot of green. Yeah, we'll go with this fabric. Okay. Plans set and made. I'm gonna cut out some fabric and then we're gonna get to sewing. So the plan is to get the bodice done. The skirt is just gonna be a big rectangle gathered in. I don't think it's gonna be too big a rectangle, but it might be. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just vibing. Okay, I'm gonna get that done. And yeah. Okay, so I just went ahead and put in my darts and got those all set. And this is all just pinned down right now so I can see how it's looking. I decided I would do a couple straps because this is a summer dress that can be layered, and I would take them and sort of stitch them down along the front and then have them in the back right over here. And I was looking at it and I realized I'm accidentally making a green version of Dorothy's dress from The Wizard of Oz. And I think it's because we just watched it a couple days ago, so it's in my brain right now. So I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna keep doing this, keep making it the way I was planning on. And yeah, next thing I'm gonna do is get the skirt stitched on. I think the best thing I could do is with a waistband, cut that out, attach it to the top, and then pleat the skirt into it. That way I can hide a raw edge or two raw edges in the waistband. So I'll have two pieces of fabric that I'm stitching down onto this, which makes perfect sense. I just don't think I'm speaking well right now. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I should also probably stitch these down. All right. No, do I want to do that? Yeah, okay. Here's the plan. Deal with my straps, stitch them down, hide these raw edges, then put the waistband on, then pleat the skirt into it, and then add a little side zipper right into here. And I think it'll look pretty cute when it's all done. Be a nice little dress. Hey there. So I've got the bodice mostly done, I would say. I got the straps put on and stitch that down. I also cut the straps on a bias just so it would give it a little bit of an extra design. And the waistband is on a bias too. I'm thinking of just really leaning into this accidentally being a green version of Dorothy's dress, so I might get another small bit of bias tape and stitch that around as like an extra little design element on the skirt. And yeah, I had to add a little placket onto the side because I tried this on and it was too tight, but it's fine. No one's gonna be looking at my sides. I'll be the only one who knows that, and I'm not too worried about it. So I'm gonna stitch down the top part of this waist, and then I'm going to start pleating in my skirt. And I have two pieces for the waistband, so I'm just gonna sandwich the skirt right into them and sew them up. Call it good. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Actually, first things first, I'm gonna cut out some bias tape and sew that along the bottom of the skirt before I put it onto the blouse, and then I'll probably add a zipper. Well, as you can see, I have finished. I'm in a different spot because there's a kitten in my lap. A little Oberon. He was awfully distracted the past couple of days, so he didn't bother me sewing too much, which I was very happy about. Bye. But the dress is done. All in all, I'm happy with it. I think it's cute. Apparently we're supposed to be getting a heat wave starting today. I haven't been outside yet, so I don't know how hot it is. But according to my phone, it's like 90 degrees, and that's too hot for me. So I'm glad I finished my lightweight dress to wear. I had some hiccups. The zipper's a bit questionable, but I've never been good at putting in zippers, so it's fine. No one's gonna look at my sides. And I'm not gonna tell anyone but the internet about my zipper, I guess. This is fine. And yeah, other than that, I think it's really, really cute. I like my little bias tape design down here. I think that's super cute. And yeah, there's not too much to say about this. It was a pretty easy make and pretty easy. I guess that's all I've got for you guys right now. So I'm gonna go and think about what I want to make for the next video. That's gonna be it, but hey, if you like watching me craft and try to craft with cats and a kitten, consider subscribing or leaving a like or a comment, and I will see you in the next one.